Another month, another What's New in Surfshark episode. We got new VPN locations, exciting app and browser extension updates coming right up. By the way, happy April Fools! Does anyone remember this video that we did?
The long-awaited Surfshark for Windows 95. It's blazing fast.
In case you missed it, go check out the full video right here. It is hilarious and you would be surprised how many people were tricked by this. Now let's get into some Surfshark news. Starting with the latest iOS app version 3.0 update. Our Apple team completely redesigned the main app screen. Here's how it looked before, and here's what it looks like now. Compared to the old design, you will now see more information such as your real location and whether or not your online activity is visible. Also, you will notice that next to Quick Connect, there's a new button for location search. Let us know what you think about this redesign in the comments below. Surfshark browser extension team was also busy working on a few neat updates. First, the cookie pop-up blocker and website safety warnings features can now be used without an active VPN connection. Second, the aforementioned website safety warnings feature has been expanded to give you more contextual information. For example, when you get a warning, hover over it and click on the little arrow to expand it. You will now get the exact incident date, number of exposed accounts, and see the types of data that was exposed. Keep in mind that not every page will feature this information, as sometimes the exact incident dates are not known. It has been a while since we released some new VPN locations, and oh boy did our team bring us a huge list this month. There are a total of 12 new countries added for you to connect, including Bahamas, Macau, Egypt, Isle of Man, Lithuania, Liechtenstein, Monaco, Andorra, Montenegro, Armenia, Greenland, and Uzbekistan. These new locations mean that you will have even more options to connect to and secure your connection. So go try them out right now. By the way, the team told me that the drought for new locations isn't coming anytime soon because more are coming next month. You know, I don't have to do the quick bits for every episode. Just kidding, it's quick bits time. The Surfshark research team released the CyberOcean project. Here's the thing, the internet is vast, but also dangerous. This is especially true for younger kids who can experience cyberbullying, phishing, and online game loot boxes. That's why we've created CyberOcean, an interactive place for kids to get familiar with the cyber world and the most common threats online. So do give this a try with your little one, and I will leave a link to it in the description below. Our research team also conducted the User Attitudes Towards Privacy survey for 2022. The survey's mission was to find out the general opinion about online privacy. And the most interesting fact for me was that most people choose an antivirus as their #1 security tool. It's definitely interesting to go through the data, so go check out the full survey results in the description below. Probably the worst thing about using a VPN is getting CAPTCHA requests when searching for something on Google. Well, the team informed me that starting today you will get way less CAPTCHAs when connected to the VPN, making for a much smoother browsing experience. The Refer a Friend program option has been moved to the bottom of the settings menu. It is a good time to mention that if you do have a friend who's looking to try Surfshark, then invite them and you will both get free months added to your subscription. Last but certainly not least, we launched a podcast, which you can check out right here. The worst thing is probably that they put a timer on it. And there's a timer going, and if that timer goes to 0, all your files will be deleted. That's right, now you get to listen to me for much longer than usual. But on a serious note, we had an amazing discussion with Ludvikas, our Windows app team lead. We spoke about the scariest viruses today, the antivirus industry, and even some insights on the latest Surfshark app updates, such as the kill switch. So definitely go listen to it, and I'm sure you will like it. And that is all for this episode of What's New in Surfshark. If you enjoyed it, then hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. But that's all from me. Take care.